Hello weekend crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your weekend crafter, and for this weekend, I am mixing some colors for St. Patrick's Day. I'm calling these colors Emerald Green, Irish Green, Shamrock Green, Harvest Gold, and Golden Brown. Because I already know that I am going to use some very hard clay, I have to prep my workspace first. I placed a plastic placemat under my pasta roller to keep my table clean. I also sprayed some alcohol on the glass mat and wiped it down. Now let's go to the colors. The first one that I'm mixing is Irish Green, which is a very happy color of green. I used Fimo green, but this is really very old and crumbly clay. I think when I checked the packaging, this was in the 1980s. Whenever I encounter clay like this, I use my metal mallet. So I promptly transferred the crumbly clay into a small Ziploc and pounded on this with the mallet. This is how it looked like after it was pounded, and as you can see, it is still not sticking together. Now I get my Sculpey Premo in glow in the dark in equal portion to the green that I just placed. I then put this in the same Ziploc bag and then I pound on these two colors again. Now you can see that the clay is slowly sticking together. And this is where I start to pass this through the roller. Of course, this is an edited video. And while it looks very fast here, it actually took me a good 15 minutes or more of passing it through the roller again and again until I actually got the clay to smoothen out and really combine. Now you can see how the final color is looking like already. A side-by-side comparison of the original Fimo green color and the new Irish green color shows that the new color is brighter and for me, a happier hue. And for those wondering, for some reason unknown to me, the clay is no longer glow in the dark. I actually tested it under my bed and it doesn't glow anymore. Moving on, let's mix emerald green. For this, we will use the Irish green color that we had just mixed. I am also bringing out Sculpey Premo in navy blue. Roll the green color in the thicker setting of the roller and cut with a circular cutter. That represents one portion. Similarly, flatten out the blue color in the exact same setting and cut with the same circular cutter. Get a tissue blade and cut the circle into fours. Get 1/4 of the navy blue and mix this with the Irish green. This will give the clay a slightly darker hue. And for the final green shade, let us mix Shamrock Green. Get your emerald green clay and punch a circle. Next, get the navy blue and punch another circle. Divide the blue clay into eighths. Bring out some Sculpey Premo in white and cut this in half. Combine these three colors together and you will get a lighter, slightly bluer hue of green. One of St. Patrick's Day's common icons is a pot of gold, and so it is but natural for us to mix some gold colors. Again, I am working with some very hard and dry clay here. Just look at this Sculpey III Gold color up close and you will see how very hard and dry it is. Next, I again bring out the Sculpey Premo glow in the dark color and mix an equal part with the gold color. This now gets into the bag for some hammering. This is how it looks like now that the two colors have mixed, and I am quite happy with the results. And for the final color, we are doing golden brown. We will be using the harvest color that we had just mixed. I am also bringing out Sculpey Premo in rose gold glitter. And then both colors get rolled out and cut using a circular cutter. The rose gold is cut in half and mixed with the harvest gold. Finally, I am adding Sculpey Premo in yellow gold glitter for that extra shine. I will be using only half of this to add to the existing color. The result is very shiny and glittery gold. Again, this is Irish green, emerald green, shamrock green, harvest gold, and golden brown. This is a sneaky peek of what I made with these colors, and I will share that slab with you on next week's tutorial. I hope that this color mixing video got you excited to make things for St. Patrick's Day. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!